welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on ocean. Oceans are large bodies of salt water that cover most of the earth. There are 5 main oceans: the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic. Oceans are home to many animals like fish, dolphins, and whales. The ocean is very deep and we still don't know everything about it. Oceans give us food like fish and seaweed. They help make the air we breathe by producing oxygen. Waves are created on the ocean surface by the wind. Oceans help control the Earth's temperature by absorbing heat. Coral reefs found in oceans are colorful homes for many sea creatures. We should protect our oceans to keep them clean and safe for all living things. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.